Are you someone who's doing this to other people in your office? First of all, gossiping about them. Oh, what's going on in your personal life? I think these two are dating, there's something cooking between them. Another thing that you're doing is maybe, what? I doubt इसे तो कुछ आता ही होगा. पता नहीं इसे यहाँ job कैसे मिल गई. God knows. Another thing maybe, what? I think you're good, but you're not good enough. I don't think you can get that promotion. क्या आप भी अपने कलीग से ऐसे बात करते हैं या उनसे ये सवाल पूछते हैं? Then boss, you are a red flag. You are a toxic colleague in your workplace. And this is something that needs to change. First of all, if you are someone who's doing this, put a stop to it, because it not only ruins your professional image, but it also affects your relationship with the people in the office. No one likes to work with someone who puts others down, undermines them, disrespects them. But if you're someone who's going through this, like people come up to you and you hear these conversations about you, this is what you need to do. First of all, when you hear these things, don't let this affect you. वो लोग कौन होते हैं बोलने वाले कि आप कौन हैं? They don't know how you got here, the work that you have put in to stand where you are in that office. You are the only one who has the power to decide what you are made of. उनके बोलने से आपका confidence बिल्कुल भी change नहीं होना चाहिए. It should not drop as well. But if they still continue with this toxic behavior, they come up to you and say, you know what, Priya, I don't think you should take on this project because you don't have the confidence. तुम 10 जन के सामने तो जाके बोल ही नहीं सकती. You don't know how to have a conversation. Don't take this as a undermining or a subtle dig. Take this as a challenge. You need to change your mindset where if someone is putting you down, you need to take that as a challenge and prove them wrong. So next time they come up to you and say, this is not your cup of tea, show them that this is just a chai conversation for you and this is something that you can do like this. Another incident is where someone comes up to you and says, you know what, you're not the one who should be on this table. Like, what are you even doing here? Do not get into an argument with them. All you have to do is sit there, give them a smile, and you do your work. Let your results speak for you. Because sometimes action speaks more than words. Because if you prove them wrong in front of 10 people, it is them who looks in the bad picture, and you didn't even have to speak something bad about them. So if they come up to you and say in another situation where they are blaming you for their own mistakes that they have done and they are dumping you just because you're someone who does not speak up much in the meetings, do not let this happen to you. You need to make your stand clear where you are coming up with statements such as, you know what, Priya, this is very disrespectful and you should not talk to me like that. Or this is a professional setup, let's be professionals and respect each other. We should not insult someone. While it may hurt your ego, but you giving out statements professionally and not replying emotionally is something that will make you the bigger person in this entire situation. And trust me, if you think this is just between the two of you, no, there's always someone who's watching you, and this professional answering to them is something that will be noticed by someone who's above you, and this is going to play a very major role when it comes to appraisals and promotions, because in managerial role they are not only looking for someone who's good at performing or doing a task, they are always looking out for someone who can manage people well with different personalities. They are going to look at your emotional intelligence, they are going to look at your aptitude, your social skills, and not only your technical skills. So the way you deal with people around you is also something that you need to focus on, and right from the start. Do not wait for appraisal season to just come up, or do not wait to get promoted to learn all these small things that are going to affect you in your career ahead. So if you are someone who's going through a relationship with a toxic colleague, or you are in this situation, do watch this video, share with your friends who are going through the same thing. Follow me for more such videos.